Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Beach Camper. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 bhp. The vehicle also comes equipped with a DSG automatic transmission. This example is finished in the classic candy white solid paint colour. This vehicle comes with some excellent exterior features, including these 18-inch Terracina black diamond turned surface alloy wheels. The vehicle also comes with a manual pop-up roof, as well as a roll-out awning finished with a black housing. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a heated rear window in the tailgate, and the vehicle also benefits from having a removable as well as a lockable tow bar. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the California, plenty of storage space here beneath as well as on top of the multi-flex board. This California Beach also benefits from having a set of 2 additional storage boxes lying on the passenger side of the vehicle. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on the driver's side of the vehicle. There is a twin-seater passenger bench to the rear, and once the roof has been opened, there is plenty of headspace. Folding out of the panel behind the front passenger's chair is a single hob burner as well as a kitchen prep space. We can also take a look at one of these storage boxes. Once the rear passenger bench has been folded flat, it provides a very luxurious and spacious 2-berth sleeping area. There's also a few comfort cushions towards the rear of the vehicle, as well as a set of blinds all round. Up front in the driver's cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the stylish as well as comfortable quadratic fabric seat trim upholstery. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, including DAB and FM AM. Just beneath the touchscreen there are the climate controls for the camper. The camper features climatic air conditioning as well as a heated rear window. Further down and to the left there's a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points. And the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.